Leave nothing for tomorrow which can be done today. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. No man is good enough to govern another man without the other's consent. That some achieve great success, is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. I would rather be a little nobody, than to be an evil somebody. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to success is more important than any other thing. America will never be destroyed from the outside. If we falter and lose our freedoms, it will be because we destroyed ourselves. In the end, it is not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. I don't like that man. I must get to know him better. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. Whenever I hear anyone arguing for slavery, I feel a strong impulse to see it tried on him personally. You can fool some of the people all of the time, and all of the people some of the time, but you cannot fool all of the people all of the time. I am rather inclined to silence, and whether that be wise or not, it is at least more unusual nowadays to find a man who can hold his tongue than to find one who cannot. We can complain because rose bushes have thorns, or rejoice because thorn bushes have roses. If I am killed, I can die but once, but to live in constant dread of it, is to die over and over again. Wanting to work is so rare a merit that it should be encouraged. In this sad world of ours, sorrow comes to all, and, to the young, it comes with bitterest agony, because it takes them unawares. The older have learned to ever expect it. Do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends? I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. When you feel discouraged, seek healing in labor.